How to fix buffering on YouTube. Now, there is no 100% foolproof way to fix the bufferings. Now, if you are facing constant buffering in YouTube, you should consider contacting your internet service provider because they are the main reason that you are facing bufferings. Or if it's your problem, your device's problem, you should consider upgrading or updating the device software or the device itself in order to get rid of the buffering. Now, the other reason might be the high quality of your video. Now, in this case, you can tone down the quality of your video by going into this quality section and reducing it to lesser quality than you are currently playing, and then the video buffering might reduce. And if it's none of these and it's being caused by the YouTube's internal server error, then you need to wait for a few minutes, hours and days depending on the severity of problem, and then your issue will be fixed in YouTube. I hope this video was informative to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.